Hey, Great Green North here. So I just bought myself a 2019 Seadoo Spark, and it did not come with the storage compartment because I did not get the convenience package. It's the 2-up base model, no reverse or anything along those lines. I'm loving it so far, but the storage compartment was a problem. So I ended up buying a new storage compartment for it. After watching some videos here on YouTube about the install, I got it installed great, but prior to that I was doing some research and I couldn't find much about the actual storage compartment size. So I thought I'd do a quick video here to show you like what I have in the actual storage compartment bin now and what it can hold, or what you think it could hold. Here it is anyway. So open the bin up. So I have a 15-liter dry bag in there. Where they have our towels and our drinks, etc. I have my bumpers in there, obviously, and then I have some gloves in there. I have a paddle in there, extendable. I have a rope. There's still a little bit of room even when we actually put the bag in there. It's pretty tight once I get the bag in there, but it's quite a bit of room. For the actual fire extinguisher itself, a lot of people are curious probably as well too. There it goes there under the seat. And for the safety kit, it actually goes in the side here. So it comes like so. Clips in and hides your safety kit. Thanks for watching.